If I want to dry clean a shirt, I'm going to pay 14 cents in sales tax. Ladies, for some reason, you'll pay twice as much for dry cleaning the same shirt. Can I get an amen? I think because you button your buttons on the wrong side. Not that I've ever tried on a woman's shirt, but that's what I hear. But do you know if a ship docks in Charleston or Myrtle Beach, the Love Boat can bring in all their dry cleaning and pay no taxes on the dry cleaning, costing the state $1.5 million each year. Now that I'm married, the 6 chickens I have in the backyard, I cannot just clean their chicken cages and come in and wash my hands. My wife wants me to wear what? Gloves. So I have to go to what store? I have to go to Walmart to buy gloves to clean my chicken cage. Didn't understand why. And so not only do I have to pay the price for the gloves, but I also have to pay the 6% what? Taxes. Did you know if you're a wealthy farmer and you can afford automatic clean-out systems for your chicken cages, you pay no taxes each year? If I want to buy myself a 9-foot John boat, $35 in taxes. A $15 million New Harper barge pays no taxes when bought and sold. If I want to buy an FM radio station, I pay taxes. If I want to buy an AM radio station, I pay no taxes. If I want to go on a dinner cruise in Charleston, take my wife out for our anniversary, I pay taxes. If I'm a little wealthier and I can afford a timeshare that weekend, I pay no taxes. If I want to asphalt my driveway, is that a verb? I asphalt, you asphalt, he, she, it asphalts. If I want to asphalt my driveway, I have to pay for the asphalt, the labor, and the 6% what? Sales tax. Did you know the same asphalt's taken out of state? Nobody pays taxes to anybody. State fair. If you go to state fair, you pay taxes on concession items. If you go to the Pick on the Ridge festival in Ridgeway, you pay no taxes. If I want to rebuild a Chevy, I pay taxes. If I want to rebuild a Chevy for an international shipping line, no taxes. How many of you got an Uncle Bubba that's been working on a Chevy Nova for years? Oh, y'all know you do. And they put more money in that Chevy Nova than that thing was ever worth. If he wants to buy a carburetor, he's going to pay $12 in taxes for the carburetor for the Chevy Nova. Did you know we collect no taxes on the sale of any parts and supplies used in repairing commercial air carriers in South Carolina? We collect taxes on Carolina Clemson lottery, football tickets, but we collect no taxes on lottery tickets. This is my favorite right here. We in South Carolina collect taxes on 30% of a portable toilet. We collect no taxes on the other 70% of the portable toilet. You should be asking yourself 2 questions. The first one is what? Why? The second one is what? Which part do we tax? I'm assuming the smelly part we tax and the top part we don't. And the last one, if you go to Chuck E. Cheese, you'll pay taxes. You go to Carowinds, you pay no taxes. Those are just 25 of the 80 exemptions totaling $2.7 billion each year. Raise your hand if you knew about the majority of those exemptions. So in South Carolina, other than 2 of you, the majority of us are paying twice the amount of sales tax needed to raise the same amount of revenue for exemptions you knew nothing about, other than maybe the car sales tax cap. And so we need to know in South Carolina that we're being misled if we're told that our state is broke and we ain't got no money. We are also right in feeling our taxes are too high because we're paying too much in taxes, business property, sales tax, other taxes, just so we can have 80 exemptions, of which most of which we do not know. And it doesn't stop there. Not only do we have a sales tax weekend for little kiddies to buy left-handed scissors and glue, but we have a sales tax holiday to buy automatic weapons and ammunition. And by the way, I'm not against the Second Amendment. I'm very for the Second Amendment. I live in Fairfield County, hunting capital of the world. I think we ought to have a Third Amendment holiday, a Fourth Amendment holiday. I think we ought to have a Fifth Amendment holiday. No one celebrates the Fifth. But I am telling you today that anytime we exempt revenue from being taxed, we can't be surprised when our state is what? Broke.